because it's almost too selfish not to share what you're good at, not to share your gift, not to share your talent. You are here, you have something that I don't have, you have something that I can learn from you. And if you find that why, this big why inside of you, then we all can learn from you. And I'm waiting for that moment to learn from you, because I know you have it. Only you have this gift. The internet is a source of education, but it can be so overwhelming when we listen too much of what people have to say about us. Today, I want to share with you some tips that will help you to learn how to use other people's voice to improve your life, your business, and overall your well-being. The key is to learn to separate the constructive out of destructive criticism. Coming up. Coming up, 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 coming up. Hey, welcome back to my channel. You already know in the intro what we're going to do today. But before we dive into that topic, I also want to let you know that in the end of this video, if you watch until the end, I'm going to do a giveaway of 5 written patterns, including this one that I'm wearing it right now. This is a new design. It's called Cacao Devi, and in this very moment is on the testing right now, and it will come up in the end of the week. So stay tuned until the end and learn how you can enter to win this written pattern if you want. And any other patterns from my design, I already have 51 designs. You can see here on my Ravelry. You can choose 5 of the patterns of your design, and I will send to you to your email if you are one of the winners. And this giveaway I'm going to give to 5 winners. So stay tuned until the end to learn how can you enter and get a chance to be one of the winners. I love social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, because I discover so many amazing, so many beautiful people just like yourself, and I learn to teach better from your response on my video, on the contents that I share online. But there are also people out there that seem to just show up and just share their comments without thinking that we are human too. They use the word that sometimes is really not so nice to read, and all of this kind of thing. I wanted to share with you between the constructive comments and destructive comment and how I deal with it. And I don't mean that everyone have to say something nice about my creation, because I love to hear the truth. And negative and positive, actually there's no difference. Negative and positive contain the same energy. Sometimes a comment that seems negative actually come with the constructive advice or question, such as, I don't like the bottom that you make because it seems too high, or it's too short, or any way that I can make it different or longer. Your new top with a big motif in front of your chest, it look uncomfortable. I don't like it. But this kind of comment is give me the opportunity to communicate with them and to help them to find a solution, how to do it differently, how to modify the pattern. I still see this comment as constructive comments. And the destructive comments go like this. No, this looks cheap. I saw your post online and I thought you were looking for the man for the night. Your photo is provoking. People are fighting over your post and you're doing nothing. You're bad. These are just an example of the latest comments that I read over the Facebook group of this post that I just post. Sometimes now I'm laugh about it because I get over it already. But in the past, these kind of comments, it's just it's bring me down, but now it's not anymore. And it's just somehow, it's just so funny to really read all this and see wow, people really have sometimes they even write this kind of comment, but a paragraph of it, and I'm not even read them all anymore because it's just a little bit too crazy. And also I just look at this way because I also post in the group of crochet in German language, and I just tell Kai, I'm learning German, and Kai was like, are you not bored of it? You keep reading the same criticism or the same comment, just different word. For me it's I learn new word. I'm just trying to, not try, but actually I am learning to see the other side of what is in this comment. Like sometimes the word maybe is very harmful or like hurtful, but for me I look at in this way that, oh, I learn new word, even though I would never use this word to anyone or write any comment like that, but at least I just learn new word, you know. I find something good in this situation. What I have learned from all these comments is actually helped me grow my skin even thicker. Like people used to say, or even still saying it now, like when you be on, you know, camera on YouTube or post your picture online, how do you feel when people talk bad about you and blah blah blah. And I think it's a good training for me because I love being online, because I love to teach you, I love to talk to you, and for me to be able to talk to you is meaning that I have to put myself out there. And it's like I cannot just let all that negativity to stop me to be who I am, stop me to connect with you just because someone have a bad day maybe and say something not nice to me or about me or my work. I cannot let that, you know, stop me. So I learned to develop my skin even thicker. You know, of course I used to feel bad about all these comments when I first started to do this, you know, business, online business, or put myself out there. But then I realized like there are so many people like this in our world. It's not only on the internet, in real life, in school, in work, in anywhere. And it's not that because they are bad people, but just because they think different. And it's not our job trying to change what they have in their mind. It's their own job. What we can do is to learn not to take things personally and to learn to see that all of that comment is nothing to do with you, it's nothing to do with me, it's just their own projection in what they see in us, right? So instead of running around trying to please everyone, trying to tell them, oh, it's not like that, oh, I'm gonna do what you like and blah blah blah. No, you should not do that. You actually should just do you. You actually should just continue to be yourself. Just continue to create what makes you happy, because what makes you happy will make other people who are the same vibes with you happy as well. Because remember, your vibes attract your tribe, and you're not here to please anyone, and you should never do that. You should stop. If you're doing that right now, stop it right now and just find your ground and ask yourself why you do what you do, and start with that question. Of course, as a maker, as a crochet business owner, we want to make something that sells. We want to sell something. We want to run our successful business. But remember that crochet business is super big, and I mean there's so many categories for crocheting. You can never make everything for everyone, and it should never be like that, right? I already said, for example, I love to make halter top. I would not try to sell my halter top to a mom who is looking for a baby clothes, like a crochet baby clothes. And in the same way, those who love to make a pattern of granny square for a blanket will not sell that pattern to those who love to make a halter top. Can you see the difference now? Like there group of people, there's a specific of people who love what you do. And when I say a specific group of people, I don't mean they are small. They are very big, because the world is so big and we have so many people, just like our group, our tribe is growing every single day, because we attract the same kind of like-minded, like-hearted. We want to do the similar thing. We want to learn, to design, to make, you know, you just have to stay on your lane and keep doing what you love to do, because this way you are too busy building your life. No, you don't have time to listen what other people say about you. And if those voices come to you, somehow it will help you to see and to grow, actually. Instead of being sad about what they say, don't be sad, just let them say. In fact, it's so good that people talk about you, talk about your work, see in the positive way. The more they talk about you, the more your work be known. And in this business, on the online world, you want everyone to know about you. You want everyone to know what you do, because you want to teach more people. You want to reach more people. You want to connect more people. So for me, Why do I post my work in different groups? Why I don't only post in my group where everyone loves me? Because I know that everyone loves me in my groups. I hope so. But there's so many people out there that they don't know me. They don't even know that I exist. And if I don't go out, how could they discover me? How could they find me? If I'm so afraid of the little tiny people that will judge me, talk bad about me, I will never reach you. You know me from maybe a group that's not my group, and now you find me and now you with me. And of course you come to me and perhaps 10 people they talk not nice about my work, but that's okay because that is what they think. They can think whatever they want. But for me to go out there to just even reach you, one person in these 100 people, maybe half of them doesn't like my work, it doesn't matter. Just one person in that group is maybe you, that you are here with me now. You are my tribe now, and you learn something from me. That is the heart, that is the key, that is everything of me doing this work. Do you know what I mean? If I could ever say anything that you could take from me right now, it would be, don't let any destructive mind stop you to shine, my friend. And I would say it again, do you. Go out there and be you and create beautiful things from your hands, from your heart, from everything that comes through you, channeling this goddess, this beauty through your craft, because this is what you're here for, to create, to build the life you want to live. By being you this way, you help many people who are still inside the box to come out and learn to live their own life freely and listen to themselves, because they see how happy you are. Don't let one bad comment or even 10 bad comments stop you to shine, to be who you are, to create what you might be part of changing this whole scene of creativity. Just come out and do your thing. Those who say something bad about us or comment or say something destructive, perhaps they don't even remember anymore what they say to you or what they say to me. One thing I really want you to know, those who are in the growing process, they will not have time to talk bad about anyone else. They will not spend even 1 minute to talk about anyone else because they're too busy building, creating their life. Because time is so precious, and those who are in this journey, in this pathway, they would not waste even 1 bit or 1 second to talk bad about anyone else, because it's simply not the habit of successful people. When I say successful, I mean in all aspects of life, including spiritual journey. So turn inward, my friend. When I say turn inward, what do I mean by that? Turn inward means look within yourself. Focus on yourself. Focus on what you can bring out, what is best in you, what you can bring out and share with the community, what you can share with our tribe, what you can share with this world. Because it's almost too selfish not to share what you're good at, not to share your gift, not to share your talent. You are here, you have something that I don't have, you have something that I can learn from you. And if you find that why, this big why inside of you, then we all can learn from you. And I'm waiting for that moment to learn from you, because I know you have it. Only you have this gift. I might be good at crochet and I might be good at talking maybe, but there's so many things that I don't know. There's so many things that I'm not be ashamed to say, I don't know. And I'm ready to learn if I want to, if it's something interests me, if something moves me. And find that in you, because I think there's so many people want to learn from you. Who knows, whatever you find inside of you might change someone's life forever. When you take the time to communicate with yourself, when you take the time to find that gift inside of you, you no longer have time to be sad about what other people think of you, what they write about you. There's no longer hurt you anymore. You become untouchable. Like, you can read it, you can laugh, you can smile, but it's no longer hurt you. It's just going to be a noise at the background, and nothing can stop you. You become unstoppable. You become you. Let me know in the comment below right now if you are ready to find your why and you are ready to look within yourself. So now is the time to check out those voices, little voice, little noise, and those fear of these people out there that might judge you. Shake it off, because you don't need that in your system, and go out there to pursue your dream. And if your dream is to become, I don't know, a crochet designer, a successful crochet business owner, whatever was your dream is, go out there and just do what it takes to get there. But do it with your heart. Every step that you take, it should come from love. It should come from this compassion, and not to bring someone down, but to walk together. Do you know why I'm doing what I'm doing right now? Why I'm even filming this to you or share it with you? Why I even have a crochet channel or group or all this social media? Because for me, it's very important to connect with people out there and to be able to teach and share what I know, what I learn, what my passion. Because for me to share what I love to do, it's make me so happy. I can walk alone. I can walk on this journey alone, and I perhaps even walk faster than I walk with many people. But I choose to walk with you, because when I walk with you, we can go together even further. So can you see my point here? I hope you do. The point is to find the why, the big why in you, and everything else will come together. And I would say again, your vibes attract your tribe. And now let's come to the giveaway. Are you ready for the giveaway? So take the note. If you want to enter to the giveaway, of course, first of all, you have to be the subscribers. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. Click that subscribe button and click that little bell next to it as well. Second, let me know in the comment below what you learned from this conversation, what you learned from my video today, and if you are ready to apply 1 or 2 or 3 or all of everything I just said into your business, your life, and to your journey. And if anything that you think I didn't talk about it and you think that would be good for our community, please put them down below as well, so I can read and I can learn from you. Maybe I forget something, and of course I don't know everything. I just know something and I share it with you, and I'm sure you know lots of things. And please share it with us so we can learn from you. I can read your comment. What do you think that would help us to grow stronger and to help us not to let the destructive criticism or comment on the internet bring us down? Please put them down below, because I would love to hear from you and learn from you. And the last thing is, like this video, share this video on your Facebook and tag me, so I know that you watch it and you enter to the giveaway. And of course, the more people learn about this, the more people be more mindful. This way, you and I can help much more people out there together. I hope you enjoyed the video today. And also let me know if you would like to learn how to make this beautiful motif of this cacao heart motif. Comment down below and I will do my best to make a video and to share it with you. I wish you a beautiful day, beautiful moment, and go out there, do you, pursue your dream. Mwah. Bye bye. Be beautiful as you are. That's the only way to